Hello, my name is Matthew Green, and the purpose of this video is to showcase my visual Morse code application written for Info 4320. This is Mini Project 1. My board ID number is 18, as you can see here, and I'll begin by showing you that the development environment is already open and the serial port on COM5 is waiting for input. I'll first begin by showcasing 1, 2, 3 as my test input, and show that that's actually happening over on the board. The next number that I'll showcase is 456, and I'll zoom on the board before I press enter. And finally, 7890. Thank you for watching, and once again, this was Matthew Green for Info 4320 Mini Project 1.